Point Lighthouse Park, Liverpool, Nova Scotia, Canada. Today we're at the Hampton Lighthouse here in Hampton, Nova Scotia. Today we're at Medway Lighthouse in Nova Scotia, Canada. All the lighthouses in Canada are not very tall. This is the Digby Pier Lighthouse in Nova Scotia, Canada. Point Lighthouse here in Digby, Nova Scotia, Canada. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.